Hi guys, so we are in Space NK. So yeah, as you can see here, we've got NOS, and also, as you can see, we've got the Summer Society here. So yeah guys, as you can see, I've already have that bag, and then we also have this gorgeous t-shirt here, Dolce Janeiro. So this is really cute. They really have a really nice little summer kit. Guys, this is just amazing. This smells super nice. This is the Kapari. I'm definitely gonna get this. Here you have all the ultraviolet. I definitely want to get some of this one. Definitely really nice for summer. And then this one is really nice, the super SPF 50. So I am going to try the peach skin, which is, oh guys, this is super nice. This is really nice. And then also we have the beach skin. Now this is definitely beach vibes. I absolutely love this. Cherry lips are sweet, tasting like sugar, sugar. Sweet like candy. Sweet like candy. But taste anything like this before, 'cause you're sweet like candy. You're sweet like candy. Sweet like candy. But taste anything like this before, 'cause you're sweet like candy. You're kissing right on me. Cherry lips so sweet, tasting like sugar, sugar. You're kissing right on me. Cherry lips so sweet, tasting like sugar, sugar. Sweet like candy. Sweet like candy. But taste anything like this before, 'cause you're sweet like candy. You're sweet like candy. Sweet like candy. But taste anything like this before, 'cause you're sweet like candy. Yeah, 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 yeah,
T-Sway on the beat. Genesis. Cloud9. Here we go. Yeah.
I'm open up my house for you. I'm ready for some action. Can you feel the heat we're steaming? I will give you all my world. I can be the guardian angel.
Right guys, I am in Sephora now, trying on some of the all new products in here in Sephora. So we have Hourglass here, and then also have the Summer Friday. The shop is really loud in here, so I thought I would come on here. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving the Summer Fridays. They have so much nice things in Sephora.
I will take you out to Cloud9. Heaven been sweet to you, calling you to have my love. You got the rose petals falling.
And then I had to check some of the cute gift sets here. Like, This is super cute. I really love this. I'm definitely going to get some of these gift sets next time. Now I'm really loving the Sephora collection. They have really cute ones in here, like so much face mask, eye mask, foot mask, like absolutely love this. And the lip balms, they have really nice fruity ones in here. So what really caught my eye is the blueberry anti-dark circles, which is really good. I'm definitely gonna get that. And they have the really nice Sephora cleansing oil, which is really cute. Like, they have so much, guys. I couldn't make up my mind.
Closer than heaven. Let me give you all of me. Let's make it happen. I'll be that woman that you need. If you kiss me, baby, I am gonna make you mine. Spread your wings so high, I will take you on high. The sun is shining, rolling all around, heaven knows, baby. I will take you into cloud nine. I will take you on cloud nine. If you kiss me, baby, I am gonna make you mine. Spread your wings so high, I will take you on cloud nine. Take you to the sun is shining, rolling all around, and heaven knows, baby. I will take you into cloud nine.
I am loving the minis. Like, I don't know what it is with the minis. Like, I just think they're so convenient and travel friendly. And in here, it's all color coordinated, like, and you could really see which one you can find.
Feel so good. You make me feel so good. I saw your face right through my eyes. Your head in my direction. I've waited for someone like you to show me what love's about. The temptation is creeping up. I'm getting caught up. Can this be love? Boy,
Guys, look what I found. The Away Rage. Oh my god, like, it is just heaven in here. So as you can see, I have the travel set, the hair mask, the hair scrub. But yeah, the next one, I'm definitely gonna get the leave-in conditioner.
so good, oh baby. Feel so good. There's many ways that love can do. The way that I'm feeling, I feel your touch wrapped on your shirt. The heat is up, about to blow. I feel so close, don't let me go. Let's bring the groove on, and we're going on. About to make you all mine. Make you all mine. Feel so good, you got me like.
Hi guys, so I am back from the shops. Like, oh my god, it's been super hot outside. Like, I had to literally just get dressed because I was literally in my leather jacket today and it was super hot. But you know what, guys, I am super happy. I am got my little things from Sephora and Space NK. So yeah, guys, I just want to do a little haul and just see what I've got. So yeah, guys, so what I've picked up is I've got the Sephora anti-dark circles. Like, I'm always on the go of so early with my son, so these are definitely a must for under my eyes. But yeah, guys, I have got the blueberry extract. So yeah, I'm super happy I've got this one. And then also I've also got the blueberry extract. So this is the blueberry extract, the skin perfecting and radiance. I cannot wait to put this on my face. Like, I'm really into my face mask, guys. Like, I never used to be into face masks, but now I'm starting to really want to take good care of my skin. So yeah, this is what I've got. And then also I got these little minis from Sephora. So how cute is this, guys? Super cute. Really small one. This is the Salt and Stone deodorant. If you can just see it there. I absolutely love this brand. I definitely want to get the full size to this, but guys, look how tiny it is. This is super nice to put into my travel bag, and just, yeah, it's really perfect on the go. I absolutely love this one. And also, last thing I got from Sephora is the Wow Dream Coat, guys. I am absolutely loving this. I definitely want to get the full size, but I have to get the little mini one because, guys, I definitely want to add it into my little travel kit. So you can just about see it here. So yeah, I am super happy I've got this. So yeah, that's all I've got from Sephora. Yep, so another thing from Space NK is, so yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this because it's been on my list. This is the Kapari Golden Sun Glaze Sheer Body Mist. Like, guys, as soon as I put this on in Space NK, it just smells so tropical. Perfect for going on the beach, traveling. Definitely nice to fit in your travel kit. So I absolutely love it. I just love how it's just like, you know, like a normal spray, you know, where you just like spray in your countertops. It really does look like one, and I actually really love how you can just about see all the gold, tiny like the gold shimmery inside here. So yeah, this is super nice. So this is the SPF 30, and this one is £56 in Space NK. So yeah, guys, super obsessed, and it smells really nice too. So I'm so happy I've got this. And then last but not least, I got from Space NK is the Ultraviolet SPF Reapplication Mist. This has been on my top list. I had to get this. So this cost £32 from Space NK. Like, guys, I love the packaging. But yeah, as you can see, I will see what the packaging is like. So yeah, this is it here, the SPF 50. So yeah, I am super happy with my little set. I'm gonna be using this on my face, and yeah, so I am super happy with all my little sets. So guys, that is everything. I really hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite summer essentials? I would love to know. And yeah, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.